Evening, folks. DC Works here. I thought I'd do a toolbox tour tonight. They're so popular on YouTube. So here we go. What do we have? A slime tire tool. The new Snap-on tire tool for 15 torques, and a regular valve stem tool for their sensors, I guess. Generic tire tool. 2 valve stem tools. Yeah, they're both the same. Who doesn't need 2? What do we have here? Oh, a billet aluminum valve stem tool. Oh, that's cool. Snap-on TR117 tool. Valve stems. Basketball filler. One of your old-fashioned valve stem tools. Got the little threader on here. Another threader. And you can straighten out the threads on the outside of the valve. Another needle for filling whatever you'd want. Another tool that's part of this one, I believe. Yeah, thread depth checker. Check the thread depth of your tires. This tool is meant for inner tire tubes. You fish this in through your rim, the hole in your rim, attach it to the thing, and blur out. And on the outside we have, the same thing as these. Got that in here, so we're doing good there. Now, how did I have that done like that? Well, anyhow. Another valve stem tool, one for the bigger ones and one for the small one. Well, that's it for the top. What do we have here? A variety of checkers, tire pressure checkers. This one's good from 20 to 120. This one's good for 20 to 120. This one is good from 1 to 20. More of a bicycle tire checker, I would guess. Another bicycle checker, 2 to 20. 5 to 50. More of a tire checker for automobiles. 35 being your optimum range, right? Or 33, I should say. Another high pressure one, 20 to 120. More of a truck gauge. And another 5 to 50 psi. And on the bottom drawer, we have a truck filler, one for the duals, if you needed it. Do the common size with no connector. One with a thing you can just put on the valve stem and let her buck. And of course another longer one, tire filler. And of course a no-name valve stem puller, and that'd be the bigger one. Anyway, that's my toolbox tour. I hope you guys all appreciated it. And thanks for watching.